Good morning, my name is David Roberts. I'm from the North Wales Police Driver Training Unit, and I'm here today with colleagues from North Wales Fire and Rescue Service and the Welsh Ambulance Service National Health Trust. We're here today to launch a little campaign to highlight out there of how members of the public should react to emergency vehicles. So the aim of the campaign is to give you a few tips to allow the emergency vehicles to be able to proceed on their tasks safely. Taking it forward, I'm going to introduce my colleague Mark Jatt from North Wales Fire and Rescue Service.
Here are some tips on reacting to emergency service vehicles. Keep calm. A lot of people, especially new drivers, panic when they see emergency vehicles. Don't break the law or take any risks, however helpful you're trying to be. Keep moving on the approach to bends or the brow of the hill. Pull over when it's safe to do so and the view ahead is clear.
When safe to do so, pull over to the left, and if you can, stop. Stay clear of any bus lanes or verges or sides of roads. Don't be tempted to pull onto the pavement. You may damage your vehicle, or be aware of pedestrians that may also be impacted by yours. Don't stop near traffic islands, because this narrows the road and prevents other vehicles being able to move safely out of our way.
A few more tips in relation to red traffic lights. The officers or the fire engines or the ambulance will not ask you to go through the red light. Please don't do this, as it is illegal. The vehicles will manoeuvre around you when you are stationary. On multi-lane carriageways, the vehicles will predominantly be in the outside lane, trying to make progress. All we ask is that you safely move over when it's safe for you into the near side lane, and the vehicles again will come around you. If for some reason there is a big blockage in the carriageways, all we will ask you to do is possibly encompass and allow us a passage through down the middle. And with multiple vehicles, sometimes it could be our colleagues and myself going to the same job. So there could be a police vehicle and an ambulance. So be aware of this, that there might be more than one vehicle. And also the fact that there could be marked vehicles with all the livery, and also that there could be unmarked vehicles. To summarise, all that we ask you to do is stay calm on the roads and be vigilant by using your mirrors and see who's around you, and pull over only when it's safe to do so.
Help us to get there speedily and safely.